Haya tuiguru musiki wekegere mayure musiki wekegere rero nataka kubaretera ase change bono minto bwairire likubalia ndieto muntu na kali kondoga lakini abekiro munyamusira na imokire igoro naraire likubalia nyarete linene sana maetabarogi mbaroro barabumo mubase ko kana ngabaragia bamba iyo muntu naro kali kondutegete ngakimogenderete pole sana asibali mwasiriru n'abantu babwate covid gose murwarete covid gose bono muri amatanga ya mwasiriri abamino pole sana lakini bo maine ndwarete likuba is been 2 days likuba litonyarete nyumba engima ama ruwaira abuchire ska yani erora mambito yoko tigatogendere ne gusabirana bono rero bono marogo botambe ngocha mambia abantu bali ba Kenya baraje rero nateke tukora umira abantu aba America na ba Kenya na bagucaganya kuligerera maega ega songo tutaite tukwanire igoro ya abantu bakuru ku dream killer abantu bali gucigate bikende bagukani goko batebikende bagukani wose abantu balia okonyora mbama itikona chakine kire bale bakole enabe ko musiki ogwekegere nabo konyora umuntu ndi bono ukundangiryo gontenga nkyo gategerera musiki bwokagere amangana yabagere tiga kalekero nari gukina ntu anchiri in fact to date no nabagere teammate nu gosenga kimo ayendi gwakinete eke olikiane at 48 years old nkwali go date mogere it was a crime. The first time my brother igwete ngomogere onare kande no mogere getali university igandangiriti akamachikongita. Yani it was like a crime gukwana no mogere. You understand? Tima itie kegoli kino muri. Kegoli geito kialengi gente mogere yaya. Abakamba yaya bali n'abarogi bali. Those are the things some of us we grew up in. Bona abantu squeeze mwikire asoko na chekina ekyote ete gukora. Bona ntete nkwanire young people nino ntete gukwanira. Nanda machuma ntegerere. Na aligire umwaka oyo yaje gusemya kebere yaje. Na arorire n'abasubati bari divorced bakwera osubia balinda abana buya. Yani abasubati bari divorced bono iska bakoreka n'incheregete ngao. Eboli ekera abasubati ababanyomete. Inkiye kugera mwali kuba mutabanchirite berosi. Umaitege nteki genchanda sana. Mokao onyomete buye inkiye kugera muikaransira abasubati abamuko bali bakaba prosper bako ba divorce bamenya kwenda berosi biya bachaka ebyasara bakora ebintu because ekero munyomete go mubere tamachiko tomo etiba garosi decisions chindi chons alafu muko batiga mwemanyete bali murema after mwa batigire mwa musiri gose Kenya mwale turu mukungu onde maite Kenya muko engusa bali muri America agayiga ni unacha okwanya nayo koko leto mukungu yo kabere ogosaera n'inyoni ogotiringa ogokolie wachaga komisi mukawo mutangani ikiekera mukomisi omungino uri mutangani sababu nyatero bwairire suche ninkoroche esababu omugoche mwaleto mukungu yo kabiri wakangu musubati yo garumiya kwamenya konyora ngumusubati yo garumo biko bwo mukungu uri mutangani because muri ko twala torosi decisions umusubati yawe tugotenga bono mugaka spring break ngocheri tigatuyire abana yayo umugaka tigatuyire kibese bono twagacha yani kirege nta inwa machuma mugokana umusubati yawe tugotenga yaya nintete ko chake blog iga Facebook na bono ngokora chi Facebook iga umusacho mugusiya chantenga yayo mukaya yibuli uchikwanya gukwana Facebook tingo tageti Facebook umusacha ngasenge ncho na munyoma one myoma yabiri binechera kwanda kwatema mumino nga mama nitete ko chake byasara gete byokoni gento gete koni ayaye bine byasara byobutayayi ntete ko yole ba mata ebyasara byeba nebyaya obuno bomarayo go chikokora wowe chikokwana musubati umino lyo tenenere TSD kwa mutenga yaya nintagete ko chake byasara gete biriga na iganeka musubati umino ko kandi nga binte bitokokora wono takiro umanye nk'abantu bali abangi bawo kani ebintu nabayiri bawo mama umino musubati umino mumurumino umusacho nyomete umukungu nyomete okuchikomote bikende yonsi nga plan yobwate onyekana kabisa nonye yalinge planning yali uchakobarusi botaka ime oangapi onye ne chingo kotete kutuko tenga yanya my brother na tugete chingo ko chiga kuchonsi onye no kolema nga yaya musubati uminto na asimeke bitungo bikaya barabuchi decision cyabo kiri based on iki umuntu ndakolete nkiaba wono konyora nga nakiko garatora abantu abangi barabataka ekero cyete ko cyake gento kiya ubuna bono ncyagete Facebook yiga ndahite mumanye nk'abayiri bane bali bonkwanira because ya Facebook yiga na andi umuntu uyu tori oyobo Facebook tali yabo Facebook max uko bagoroseti lakini abayiri ababano bakogechi kubayigwa abandi nenda mwamu abandi tima itinga kikiba cyandete nkankiye ko nangonya gukwanira mangane family topic kinde kigete cyabalenga topic njine gukwana ga okoka anga mu murominto nakwana ngokwane topic endega iga wakaga musubati minto nakwana ngokwane topic endega wakaga mu mwana mu osubati minto kogamba topic njire ngokwana ga iga chire general montara nyoro ndikiri ku inbox abantu bakoleta abantu America babatumia abantu bagutumia abana abayirias bamenyira inyumba lakini abayiri ababane because bono mbamanye timba understand tingo enseye ondite your exception kero umuntu nabwate emechando eri ubwate nero umuntu ndabwate baranga chitopic ekine cyabo nkurusu nyumba wono nyemba tegerera anga platform yeteyo nandi platform ino nyinche yankonyire sana because na network n'abantu ebyasara byanembigenderete ekeronte gitoko konya nimbwato umuntu wonkonye platform yetu tetunyerose ebingiya ekonye no n'abasani ababaito ekonye no ene chintakana abana chintakana sote itukokora chintakana ekero nali guchaka NGO mama bwikaga mbuleti nga penina bonekero muguchaka gente kabana abana abangu muguchikokonya chintakana ekimuchimanyete yaya akumi mnanga ki oyire chibese ochikoli yabana babandu chikwa chibese because my mom is 84 igo advice ya mama yekonda n'umuntu 84 igama yetinga ukora chakira abana basubati bamino ocha abana baba muraba mino ocha bana bechianko ne chianti mba amanyete nga no genda okonye ntakana omuntu utamanyeti omoire school bono turochese ngincho age gap mama talinga nenda mwama akonyigwera igaroche nga yaya nga anachaka na abana b'ikikazi nchiaye abana baba muraba mwabo ta understand it na ekeroko konya mbiyo konya umwana uri urocho ukonyara wekonya kuba umwana bw'ekazi yayo tatagetiko school kuba umwana bw'ekazi yawo in fact intali na acha na school no ene kazi ni yayo yokerelezi nonye muswati uyu minere tatagetiko chimeremo muswati uyu minere na maruo kakonya konyu muswati minere tatagetiko konya bana baye mbuyo genda umwana okonya umwana intakana ise na ngina abakwete umwana uri na racha kokonye kenyoro lakini asinge njoje kaulikia mama ekeronko motebi egintete gukora ekere nari guchaka egenteke gyokuira chianga Kenya twagenda nere okumia because mama is from Ngesima ori nyando chebere bona tari ku understand ebintete gukora ebire it is a too big of a dream for her so tari ko nkania ostari go redirect because tatageting konya abantu yawo kwana kubwatikana na experience yaye echi opinion chabantu what people think ebintu byotete gukora the people's opinion will destroy you what people's thoughts na abo musacho na aba mukao na aba bana bawo they will destroy you ekero tete gukora egento that is if no bwate egento tete gukora kara arengerelinga ngento kintete gukora tiga ko share tiga ko overshare ekero ko overshare okonyora umuntu go discourage abandi bawo discourage edinde bagende busyo bakole egenteke onye gotete gukora egento sie ko munuo kole egenteke ngora diya abantu balya urochinga unyalebe ni muboli nande no tagenda kubuli abantu gende school gende online gende YouTube esomi ngora because bano chikobuli muswati minoga ngebitungo biri wasimete yago tenge bitungo biri na sara chingoko yaya tingutuga ya mitete ngo simeka ebintu biri batemire ba failiri nande ba failite because imbakole ti effort abandi bago tenge inyomo tubasa kunyomo pi nande ani nero tringete inyomo. In fact gesanchaka kora nchi Facebook page echi nalina amanyiro bumayene bwenyasaye pinga abasubati mbara ababe abasubati mbaroro no nchenge utinko irabusa abasubati mbaroro yani chikazi nchya saitani abasubati mbaroro yani nutaka kwa no mwancha boyire abasubati naro rigesanga gora chi group echi inkumeti abasubati mbara ababega Gilbert Mochama, thank you so much for giving me the stars and those stars echi kogenda sabana chintakana tonya aleko somia bana starting from next month ngusi katore group ye for ko abantu bali ba advertise bakane otutaye tonyo gotete go advertise akane elinde to iri chibese chito somia bana chintakana ntoko babantu 250,000 igama emyaka etato totally koro kikende yons twakolire go ikato twale something we have to show nge group ye tore together for this and this otutaye go chakiro mwana oyomo twatebo yo noyomo tocho yo kabere we are going to start with 2 boys and 2 girls as chibes chirimo korwekero mutete gutangasa ibintu bino gayiga twakanira abandi school fees nandi mugenderere mubasa kobwa nandi no tatangasa abantu bali muri gayiga diaspora kero to chake program ye yogo sponsor abana pick one child no nga $35 yokobeka through the website turwera abana be school fees ntogo chagayiga not everybody is privileged mnatu abete privileged abayibuli baitu bagatoleta America. Not everybody has a lottery opportunity abe sponsored. We want to pick the children who are vulnerable. Tigamangana ya chi politician chigo cha one time. Cha ruchibe semo kwa chikura chira abana baba abroad. We want to move away from there. Es ebone idea ye karona anyi float tingo tebi abantu bande bankane tinga no. Nganto kora igo. But if we do that, na this idea is going to be the idea of this group. Mbuya to tuara abantu 20 to somia abana mbuya to tuara abantu 5 to somia abana we cannot be here abantu abanene bina 48 years old totabwa ati a good cause ngwende te code $10 to me is little money. In fact nagere ndete yondaliye nyigote ya $10 umongine w'imyaka 48 it is little money lakini ndo $10 a month towards umwana school fees umwana ntakana na bako ende boarding school alinya sole akole school anda acha kungakira mbia mono gose aenda ike class 8 gose class 7 anyore scholarship emo pick because na muikirigalia. We want to move children to boarding school abana bali chintakana bachankerusa lyoka. That is what we want to do. In fact, I'm not going to sleep mpaka make sure ngana abana ba succeed kurusi abana ntamanyeti mama kale moyo mutenga mama umwana umutanga nitoirete mama omororere mama akuriri umwana uri okuminga baminto peni none ngai kwa ruseti bone ebirengereri nebiriga America onye kale mwali kokonya abairi baito intubone emyaka yaito inchetinga netikokonya abairi bane bali ba brothers and sisters because my father had equal opportunities for my siblings. My siblings bono bali okonyora nga barabataka is by choice talinga bali by circumstances. And by the way, I'm proud to tell nga timbu ati sibling ere poor because endeyos munye manyeto nyoko maite sister yani osi brother yani ere poor nta ito manyanga is by choice because my father took us out of poverty many years. So my next step is not to go somia bana ma my sister, is not to go somia bana ba my brother. My brother oli bwangete school, my sister oli bwangete school. We need to move from that mentality and there is nothing wrong with that. And don't feel guilty because they chose not to go to school. The school fees was there. They chose not to work hard. Mnabona gaiga America bantu very broke gaiga America. Ngakiyoko ba broke in America. Why are you broke gaiga America? Ora agende flea market yo chake business. You can sell socks. There are so many jobs here gachikoli yabantu. Amazon is hiring. Chi warehouse is hiring. Why are you broke again in America? I don't understand. No ngeresa the whole day. Ngano ora America tabu atichibesa. I can never understand. And it is because people's opinions derail us. Abantu bando kuchukulia advice from obabwate low self-esteem. Eke no kuchukulia advice kura somonto obwate low self-esteem otakwana sabantu iga ho tenga peni yaya osa kwenda Facebook abantu bako kurama tubeza kukwana kiraye Facebook onuruche onyenta chite Facebook uga Gilbert yangatanga 250 stars. These 250 stars they go to the children. I want to change one child's life at a time. And I will not do it alone. You will do it with me as group members. Even to be in the sea common. Korang onda tamanyiti. Tigabantu banyako koranga yento get tigabantu babo kemambi banyole group yesikire to batenga yayo nyogotete gutangase bintu akana. Tigabantu babo kemambi banyole nga igo change ti bintu. At 18 years old you should have gained independence to make decisions. Tadi kwenye koteba nga I am going to start, I will save. Enye okore in a bad marriage nga ninche ntigo musacho oyo, nga ninche ntigo mukungu oyo. Wabantu bali okonye gwasociate na barabo. Mwobo sani yo ninche mbokati, amaruwa ya ninche nyatige. Endagire ninche nke, wasendire enda. Bono blood circulation is interfered with. Orochim na COVID ye waitawa antoiga. Na waba ende toko teba onye kubote diabetes, blood pressure. Onye koromo netu. Tia kwenye koteba nga ninche nke ichiratiri. Ke ichiratiri. Ke ndagera tekuli ndagera mone ndagera tigo chiandi yeah start that one day, make that decision. At 18 years old you should be able to be making decisions by yourself. Nande liba wakonya gusika advice kurua Speni konya gusika advice kurua si Gilbert kurua sinyatere konya gusika advice kurua sabantu insa chinde bagusiri purchase knowledge. Genda ire chibese nkeigo kulege tabu. Genda ire chibese chinsa nkeigo beka chi data bundle bali muri gusi tegerera YouTube. Genda purchase knowledge. Tika kusaba abantu their opinion. Ekero kusaba abantu their opinion ni bako ile opinion yoli ba nero. Kora your opinion. And you know another thing, find your purpose. What do you want to do? Me, I like to talk. I just talk here and it comes natural for me. Nimbate business. A business ili aneduke limbate gali flea market. Telling an even to be kan kwenda nachikoni. Abantu mbaroro rabago chabacha gukwana na nche every week. In fact, I can talk all day. Oh my God. Irene, that business of sending money home, Aki. If you people more America, you are not going to wake up from these things. You will find yourself in a nursing home without anything. You people, you need to save for your future here. You need to invest. At least, why are you broke in America? How can you be broke in America? One aliye tiangira ne back to my business. Aliye senko ni bite chiro. Tali chianga choka nkoni chi waste beats chi sabuni. Tali biasara bioka. I am a counselor. Chi customer nchiro rombo ate chigocha every week abasongo. Eka siyabuno gocha kunya konkwanira bante chi story chabo na tegerera. Eka ndiswali tanga ni ba a pitch a statement ili ba korangeli elinde ba chere. Nga do you have anything new? No. Okay. Let me just pass by and see what I didn't see last time. They just want to come and talk. Mosacha tata itiko kwana nere. Mokungu tata itiko kwana nere. Abana na maliyo bakunyu. Onita yubono ko mo advice. Manyo chiro nyolre chiro nimbwete stall number 89. Every week no vale. And they are spending their money on me. Talinga ngani chianga bakogora. Talinga ngani chi waste beads batagete. Batagete therapy. They want somebody or otali a family, otali a brother, otali a sister. Find other people to talk to. Batali your siblings, batali a husband. They will kill your dreams. Find purpose. What is your talent? Almost what naro cho posted yakateva almost you don't have talent. It's an man. Some of you don't even know what your talent is. What is your talent? Inchi talent yani in fact no go kwana. I can talk the whole day. Nande ora ikonyu orom onyu momonto tabu ati ambition. Aba sacha mbaruma itibatali bari zero mbabu ati drive. Aba kungumbale they are not even interested no yino we sibiga no yino kwe group no yino kubange nyomba no nye onyu momonto what is zero ambition. I want you to ask yourself, when you marry somebody who has zero ambition, both of you are going to die with zero ambition. Abantu muri ga America bana bayino bayibulire ga America iga America yi. Abana bayino batanya korora Disney. And don't tell me abana they don't like Disney. Don't tell me abana bambanji to Six Flags. Don't tell me abana bambanji to go eat out. Only tell you kongamelinga abana batuyibulite ga America they don't want to see the world. Only tell you kongamelinga abana bayibulire ga America but it korora ngina corona sokoro yabo Kenya. Don't argue with me. They don't want to go. How many hours do you work? How many hours do you spend with your children? How many hours do you spend with your wife? Do you know what your wife's talent is? Do you know what your husband's talent is? How can you support your husband to be the best they can be? Because a talent and a gift transformed into a business, it is going to be the most successful business because you are going to do it with passion. You are not going to force yourself. You are going to do it naturally. Onye no bunyansi umusacho wanjite kona cha. Tigana cho bunyansi. Onye no kolema umusacho akolema. Tigaro akore landscaping. Onye kobwatu musipati yo clean. Let us start a cleaning company. Onye kobwatu mukungu okoruwe ndagere yengi yete. Onye koleta abantu banya kuragera mwao. Motebi nga swiri. Anse biasara biyo korosi ndagera. Encourage each other to pursue your dreams and your talent. If you're married to somebody who's killing your dreams, you need to evaluate your marriage. Speak to them, come to them clean and explain to them, nimbwate dream. Muna nje t-shirt yechi, oma yete imbwate t-shirt, inkoros chi phrase noun. Mune yeri kirenga breathe its life. Obo himobo, kema nyumogo soro tayo. Kero montongo kiligiale. Na boko ndigele liga wata yanga kikanta aliko babu na peni. Kinga kikanda, how can I achieve this? Onye go tageto obe bina inche. Nta ito manyanga na incho monto na aro ndigere tinta ite ko babnere kwarari anya kore broke na incho monto na na aligere tekera na alinge broke ngateba ngatinta ite ko broke in fact amangana yo ko broke is a no for me. Even my children, I don't entertain brokenness. If you make $100, you need to save $20. If you make $10, you need to save $5. Somebody gave me $10 yesterday. Nganchukulira ice cream. I ate $5. Nga save $5. Ingeya sabana charity. You have to learn how to save. If you are married to somebody who doesn't know how to save, you need to have a meeting and separate accounts. See, because now, if both of you eat all the money, what are you going to do when there's an emergency? Igolero, otiso gago tebanga kalimake. Amobiso ababisa bao mono musacho omobiso no mokao mobiso mamomi no mobusi mumromino kerango tebo mobisa tali minute ngano batete ko goita. They could be the reason you're in poverty. They could be the reason that you're depressed. They could be the reason you're abusing alcohol. These are people we love. They don't refuse to support in your dream for any reason. Some of them, they have fear. Some of them, they have low self-esteem. Some of them, your dreams are too big for them. Kero ko batengo to chake group wako kumingo chake group chukukwa na mangana Facebook. Na anda masase tigankwa nige ntokyo maili ntara akora. Na onyena machuma na onyeni inutegerera. Ntunkire na abiri ngo deal na kero kyo the past few weeks. Abantu bandangiri abasacha na bwa bange. Bagoteba buna abakungu bale chiko workers. Echiko bagokere emirimo kubwa abakungu babo. N'abasacha bande bakogokerwa emirimo. Yani the opposite. Abakungu bande bakogokerwa emirimo n'abasacha bande kubwa abasacha babo banyumba. Abantu bali muri married. Sit and see the goodness in your spouse. Tia kunya korora mukao kwanya kumurusia mawozo. Umusacho ndi gante tinga ga wikemere me chiko waka cha mo greet na good morning Penny. Umusacha go nkwani nga good morning Penny, how are you? I am going to Wawa. Do you mind me to bring you coffee? Can you imagine? Penny, it is lunchtime. I am going to Wawa. Do you want lunch? Do you mind me buying you lunch? Umusacho ndi nari willing agolera muka lunch. Umukungu ndi nari willing agolera umusacho lunch. Mukomenya guika nyumba. Why do you want to treat your spouse une enemy? Umuntu mwanchite ko nyoma nasinga incho yo bwanchani. Welcome your husband. Kara tugi your husband naye ga sende tenda. Kara motebye ibintu ebiyebya. Kara tugi mukao nonye goroche ngatakirochi. Onoroche. Abantu bune into totakagire ngakanto nyora abasacha singa incho yemenu. Tubwata abasacha twanyorera abana mbwate banembwate nyoma kabisa umusacha angotoki kabisa. Umusacha one nera ngotoki kabisa na liara anyole chinguru akole mirimo. In fact nakagire nga ninyole musacha ngomyo umusacha. Do you understand? Because yo munu yo ngaye musacha ndite yora akole mereri nombwato yo momenyete nere na ande no ale merereti na ande retaro uchiboko because yo mugako yona I prioritize him mpaka ansinyekera gucha gonsinya munyole nga nando uchire konyoma yolimo bogolimo iriro musacha mukungu yonde nando mukungu ndebone ucha kuira musacha yona abeire nere 25 years tindi guchikokora ko soli nere. This is the father to my children. Oyo nere ucha kobe sokoro yabana bane mukungu ndibwinse ucha kuira musacha yotabasa guchaka ko kumonchandera. I make sure nga he is okay because my husband yabwata mwana oyo more 22 omwana ondo ole 19 oyo onde gari 16 akaga ke nabokara abenka rwana mono to guchanda isa bana aba umukungu tagete bono musacha one we can be ready for these 3 children because banyole nga isega akabete mistreated acha gotebya abana babane nga my wife gakorega naiga atakipata. I take pride in loving my husband. Nandi tindi go soka kende gions, nandi timbo atike sokero kende gions. Balimo sogete shame on you. Incha I am not afraid goteba ngumusacha antagete mwanche mpaka na liara ndendera abana bane. Na ando musacho ana abana bane they are not allowed go fight no musacho one. No. They should respect my husband because onye tali aranga timba iboleti. So those are my stands. My husband comes first. Abana ba onye tali yarongete spam angatimba nyoleti ngotema bale tima itiko saba ngotema bakale abana baba nene ababa tatu obagotaka kurusisa magoso namanya kubakani nga come slow. This is my spouse, this is my lover. Inyoro muntu yani esegire mwane goro yomusacho one inyoro muntu gonkunira umusacho yone. I take pride and I am not ashamed kobateingo musacho one takunwa. Kwara umusacho ugakorosa tebe ngabona na isanikire na Penny liolina udabonko mubwatoka lakini nande abe very respected. In fact onyore my daughter muboli goro yo musacho no muboli tintageti musacho nacha ko iranere rigwinchera gete abana babane adults bachake ko kwana no mugakone nero nkonye tenka baros. So they are not going to come bachake nande tinkomoroka nga bubusa yonkomoroka my sweetie is my husband. I take pride I married him. Abana bamenye gocha bachaka kumburukani na ise. I am not going to allow that. So defend your husband, defend your wife. Praise your wife, praise your husband, and chana in fact to show each other love. Nalimura anyale go support each other with your dreams. Imagine giving the Beyonce ngo korega Facebook. Umusacho na bama itenga na onde Facebook. Na hande na bago on support you ntenga inkyota getenkole no hale. Asa abantu bande chi opinion cyaba iri bane bande barocenga na asirire. Umusacho ne isa abana bane mbiyaroce. Abana bande mbiyabaroce abande bateringa mami no. Kwarare kero umunto's opinion. Everybody has an opinion with what I want to do. And you know, if you listen to too many opinions, you will never succeed. You will die in poverty. Breathe. It is life. It's life to be judged. It is life for people to have the opinions. Diakonya kwa tegerera chi opinion chiabantu. Montanya kwa tenge kerebi ekimbo bosbete. Achi hearing na eto wene tiobeke. Ngebi asare ebyo koni ebi chi sexto inebibe. Eba ya ini chi dambi. Basubati mbali ko be karongi. Ya biasara mbiri ko korwe sabato. Yani chi opinion chiabantu yani chi nyinge chiako burukani chiako beka in poverty. Wako chikote imamu mino ngo musacha ngo nsunyuntale. Mamu mino watenga ya lemereli na inchi nabona lemereli tiso ayo kalemereli. Okabiku musaraba tata agakubamba agaguchanda na incho menye guchonte inga na incho musacho muswati omoke umusacha acha gunchanda kandi mamu mino ngayaya umusacho uyu n'umusacho mube mama onyaye kwalemerereti ini choice yawo tiga ko tebe ibintu biri byo bolimo ngalemereri abasubati bakule babikiru chimbera ime bako ngainu na nkina na ise n'abayiri n'iki elder ngalemereri umusacha abandi babote schizophrenia abasacha abandi babote bipolar abasacha abandi babote mental health issues umusacha ro chawo kubwato kurutanso gwakanse ko korunzo gora manyingo ino musacha umukungu ako chakunya gukora amalyoka era tubwati amani nyumba ino mukungu umukungu ako linetege ente wiki ngima umukungu onyome torwerete chiombe nanda abandi murwete chiombe moka urwerete chiombe ako linete angete ko kwegento for 5 days nganege susurago kwa nyoma aho kolina for 5 days gidiyo muswati ndo nyoma nandi mutenga inche nateba nyoma inki aho kolinera kwani nege suguti kwani nege ntogotono ninkirindi wachorerete esoko ochole esoko menye kurorori n'umusacho 5 days okonyora nabwatu muswati ndo menye kuroro chake gotanga is cheating mbura kwa muri na 5 days umusacho aganyetema tukatano akorara aganyetenga 1 2 3 4 5 litkolia gatatu in fact no chiko bagorera kolino mutsache egento negente gechinga sana gose kolina moka egente kinegente gechinga sana togo onyo gwa chodre goso inyumo karu egento kelina rosafi kwarari rosafi kabisa igogote yumugaka ngalirintu eta namo gasora kinegento nekia ohia gwata ego kyumugaka amangana yaere oremune inyuma ya etabingia takunya kuchanda abana babandi nyoko bwata abana mamura kunya kuchanda basubati babandi nyoko bwata umwana umuiseke ainota ko monta kuchandira umuiseke umuro ali no sex for 5 days umuiseko alinwe sex for 5 days umuiseko akuchindwa arutunse mnenje ninje nyore chikorera because nyoro mumuroko okuno mwana one in fact naigwete ngaba muramba le Texas nonte ite gutuma bana guchiyoba chakonyora abantu ku Texas abandi bayino mugunya kondigereriga iga ngukire tenkonyoro ni nchinde kolera yawo umenye kuroro manye mumuro wakuno mwana one tumenye komanya na komo Texas wono nonyugeta abamura bari basome tabaya kabisa Texas your boys my daughter is going to one of you and gate tugunga their kisses nanyole tumuswani getaka matenga their kisses very educated my daughter is in engineering school gate tumusacho very educated obwate chibese abayuri babo mbabwate chibese yani meaning hard working you understand igobona nabo chakonyora nginche kolera ya omuchi mukumisana banyuchiko umwana ngeli ngamamwa nanyolire girlfriend ekoro ku Sydney okirete iga alafu menya konyora ngampeni yole nyoko byara ngaki simugo chako abandi mugo chakonywa mache lakini ndi bwenze chakonywa umwana one mbigete training tachi ko chando umwana obande nabwate 3 brothers don't trouble anybody's son don't trouble anybody's daughter there is nothing like that you are choosing marriage let everybody pursue their dreams and if everybody pursues their dreams will succeed and this dream of mine yoko konya chi orphan I'm kindly asking everybody mocha board with me toche kabisa mocho koro kere baba moche mumbu atesi chintakane chitoko chakane chintakana inye tochibeke boarding school mumbu atesikero montaru chisiringi komi morara buna totaro bona nando mayete nacha ngo change na ende bintu bindi morara buna tota change gusi omwana oyomo abagaka baegwe bintu byabo abangina baegwe bintu byabo umuka omotogi umusacho omotogi ekera abana babo bakurwani umusacho omo defend kera abana babo bakurwani ngina defend umukao tiego tiga abana baguchaka ko buna chisaitani ma naego kubwate si abana barwanise naego kubwate si abana barwani ngina yaya abasache anchana abantu tutete tuanchane kabisa covid gego chakoera tuchitokole event tubike chianga buye to tokole formal event abantu bali mutanye kubika chianga binawe Hollywood onye tali covid angantu akole event to invite abantu bali bayitokorugusi abantu bali ku Kenya to ba invite iga na inumoche torosi event yenene ya global abantu ko Europe moche kabisa torosi ya formal event tubike chianga chiri chia Hollywood ma America sabanya sai covid yegende morore buna tutasha Ekegusii intu ntoli banya siasa intu n'abantu kawaida tutaite torosie change wetera chintakana okonya chintakana in the process we network, in the process we support one another. Nyasao youth angende chinse cheikire nguchikoenda nchake gushugulikira dina because mambia abana babwate school ama sasa n'amachuma anchana nandi tiga gotebia abantu chiplan cheo chonspi tiga abantu baguchikubuka mambi banyore building abantu baguchikubuka mambi banyore gali yotenetisco abantu baguchikubuka mambi banyore bitungo byasokire tiga kujya gotebia abantu amangana amange ekero gotebia abantu abange gore chiplan cheo baguchita otarachiko ikiando onsi bachitire chonspi Nyasaye oyo